Hello, kindergarten. Today you're going to be doing a little practice with the sight word can. So you need to get this page out of your packet. I'm going to kind of go over the directions and we're going to talk about this sight word and spell it and say it a few times together. And then I'll give you the directions and kind of show you what you're going to do. Okay? So today we're working on the word can. Let's say this word together. Can. Can. Let's spell it and say it. So we're going to say the names of the letters and then we're going to say the word. C-A-N, can. Let's do that again. C-A-N, can. One more time. C-A-N, can. The first thing we're going to do is trace the letters in the word. Let's say the names of the letters as we trace them. C-A-N, can. Alright, you're going to go on a little can hunt. You're going to look at all these circles and you're going to find all the circles that have the word can in it, C-A-N, and you're going to color it. So I'm going to do a few for you just to show you, and then you're going to finish on your own. I see one right there. There's C-A-N, can. So I'm going to color that circle in. See if I can find another one. C-A-N, can. Yes, there's another one. Now make sure you don't just look at the first letter. There could be other words that start with C, so you want to make sure the bubble has C-A-N, can in it before you color it. Alright, I want you to keep going. Look in each row and see how many times you can find the sight word can and color it in. Let's spell it and say it one more time together. C-A-N, can. Go ahead and get started. Nice and neat coloring. And I'll talk to you all later.